Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Let's look at addition and subtraction of rational functions. Now we have a question. Given that f of x is equals to x plus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 6, g of x equals to 2x plus 3 all over x squared plus 4x plus 4, and h of x is given to be 2 all over x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we are to find first f of x plus g of x and h of x minus f of x. So first we take the first question, which is f of x plus g of x. Okay, so the f of x, we have here x plus 1 all divided. This numerator is a quadratic expression and it can be factorized. So we have here minus 6. So we look at the sum of minus 1 and the product of negative 6. So I know that this is minus 3 times 2 will give us negative 6, and minus 3 plus 2 will give us negative 1, right? So it means that this factor for this expression is going to be x minus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, we also have here to be for g of x 2x plus 3, and now the denominator is given to be x squared plus 4x plus 4, and we are to find the product of positive 4 and the sum of positive 4. So basically 2 will do this. 2 times 2 will give us positive 4, and 2 plus 2 will also give us positive 4. So it means that this expression, when factorized, we are going to have a repeated root. So this will be x plus 2 all squared. Okay, now let's look at the denominator of this expression. So if we look at the common denominator, this is going to give us x minus 3 and x plus 2 squared. Okay, so just consider the lowest common denominator. So when we take this common denominator and multiply by this 10, we will see that x minus 3 is gone and one of these x plus 2 is gone. So basically we are going to be left with the x plus 1, that is the numerator, times x plus 2 plus, when we also take this common denominator and multiply by this 10, x plus 2 all square is gone and we are left with x minus 3. So times the numerator, which is going to be 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. All this is being divided by x minus 3 and x plus 2 all square. Okay, so let's expand this numerator. When we expand this numerator, we are going to x times x is giving us x squared, and this will be plus x plus x times x squared times 2x plus 2, and in this term, when we expand it, 2x times x will give us 2x squared, and 2x times minus 3 will give us minus 6x, and 3 times x will give us positive 3x. 3 times minus 3 will give us minus 9. So all this expression is being divided by x minus 3 times x plus 2 all square. Okay, so let's group like terms. We have here, this will be positive 3x minus 6 plus 3. We are going to have positive minus 3x, minus 3x. Now what we are left is 2x squared plus x squared will give us 3x squared. So this will be 3x squared, and 2 minus 9 will give us negative 7. All this is being divided by x minus 3 times x plus 2 all squared. So we can say that therefore f of x plus g of x is going to be equals to 3x squared minus 7 all divided by x minus 3 times x plus 2 all squared. Okay, now let's take the next one, h of x minus f of x. First of all, let's write down the value of h of x. So this will be h of x equals to 2 all over x squared minus 6x plus 9, and f of x was given to be equals to x plus 1, all this is being divided by x squared minus x minus 6. Let's verify. So x plus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 6, h of x 2 all over x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, so we are going to simplify h of x minus f of x. That's what we are looking for. And let's take this is with 2 all divided by, this is going to give us this sum of negative 6 and the product of positive 9, and this minus 3 minus times minus 3 will satisfy this condition. So minus 3 will give us minus 6x, and minus 3 times minus 3 will give us positive 9. So basically we can say that this will be x minus 3 all squared. So it's a repeated root, and this is minus f of x, which is x plus 1 all over, we factor this to be x plus 2, and this will be x minus 3. Okay, so we have the lowest common denominator for this expression to be x minus 3. Okay, let's take x plus 2 times x minus 3 all squared. Okay, so when I take this common denominator and multiply it by this 10, x minus 3 all squared is gone. We are left with x plus 2. So what we are going to here have is 2 times x plus 2 or minus, when I also take this common denominator and multiply it by this 10, one of the x minus 3 is gone and x plus 2 is also gone. So we are going to have x plus 1 times x minus 3. All this is being divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 all squared. Okay, so here we expand the numerator. We are going to have 2x plus 4 minus, okay, this is going to be expanding this bracket, x times s will give us s squared, x times minus 3, that will be minus 3x, 1 times s will give us positive x, and 1 times minus 3 will give us minus 3. All this is being divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 all squared. Okay, so let's simplify this. This is going to be minus and this will be plus. So we have it to be plus 3x, and this will be minus x, and this will be positive 3. So the negative x affects everything inside the bracket. So let's see. So 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2, and 2 plus 2 here is going to give us 4. So this is going to be 4x. Let's see, and this will be minus x squared, and 4 minus 3, no, it's becoming positive now. So this will be 4 plus 3 will give us plus 7. So this is all divided by x plus 2, and this will be x minus 3 all squared. So rewriting this expression, this is just saying that this is 7 plus 4x minus x squared. Okay, we eliminate this, all divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 all square. So therefore we can say that h of x minus f of x is going to be, now this numerator is also a quadratic expression, but it cannot be factorized unless you have to use other method of quadratic expression to do, but that is not necessary because basically we are just simplifying the equation. So this is going to be 7 plus 4x minus x squared, all divided by x plus 2 times x minus 3 all squared. So that will be the value of h of x minus f of x. In the next lesson, we are going to look at partial fraction with a linear denominator. See you.